Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you what I did. I went through some of my old bead boxes from the last couple months subscriptions, maybe back even into July. I'm not really sure. And I kind of pulled everything out. I was in this blue turquoise mood, kind of wanted to make some stuff. So I just wanted to show you. So this was the first thing that I made. I think you probably noticed these from, I think those are from the last couple months, those beads. And I like to do things that are a little more eclectic. Sometimes I don't like everything to be matchy-match, you know, like I did like a little more of that right there, and 2 on one, 1 on the other. And then I did the toggle clasp right in the front here. And this matches, this was from the same, the toggle clasp was from the same Bargain Bead Box as the chandelier focal here. So I took this, and I think this one was actually from maybe back in May, June. I when I don't use stuff, I have a, let me show you. I have this container, and I just put the stuff in it, you know, and then as I use it, you know, as I need it, like if I'm looking for a color or something, I will just, you know, go into here and pull it out. And I ended up looking for one other thing, and I found all this blue stuff I had, and I was like, oh, I'm really in the mood to, you know, do something like that. So this was the first one that I made. I think this turned out really pretty. And these beautiful little crystal bicones. And these are from Dollar Bead Box, if I'm not mistaken. They could have been from Bargain Bead Box. I can't quote me on that. I have so many beads. Sometimes I'm not sure. And this is the other one that I made. This was from, I think, the last 3 months or so ago of Bargain Bead Box. And then the toggle clasp came from it. But this turned out really pretty too. And I actually, I'll put pictures up at the end, but I actually have it up on a bust. And I have these as being worn together. So this is kind of like a choker, and this is more of a long layering necklace. And they look really pretty when they're doubled up together. I'll show you in the pictures at the end. So I did that, and then I also made another memory wire bracelet, because you can never have too much memory wire. So I took these. Some of these I think were from my own stash. I don't know. But yeah, this turned out really pretty too. Of course, my little charms. I love making those. That I don't know, I started getting a little cold down here in Florida, and I was like, oh, could use a beach day with some warm weather. I'm not into cold weather anymore. I'm originally from Chicago, and I've put in my time with the cold weather and the snow, so I think I was just in this beachy phase, as you could say. So this was what I made from all of this, and I just wanted to share this with you because I think it turned out so pretty. So let me know down in the comments what you think of it, and what you've been working on lately in your art room. I'd love to hear in the comments. So thank you for tuning into my channel, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up for this video so I know you like it. You can subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know every time I upload a new video. And let me know in the comments how you like this, and if you'd like to see any other types of videos. And also, you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram. The links are below, so just click on them to take you there. I also have my Etsy store link, and I am on Pinterest. So just let me know. So thanks again, and see you soon on my next video, and have a great day. Bye.